Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a stock that's been making waves in the quantum computing space, Quantum Computing Inc., ticker symbol QUBT. If you're into cutting-edge tech and high-growth potential, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know: recent performance, buy rating, risk level, and whether this stock's value holds up. Let's get into it. First up, what is Quantum Computing Inc.? QUBT is a Hoboken, New Jersey-based company focused on quantum optics and nanophotonics. They're not your typical quantum computing play. They're building accessible solutions like their Dirac systems for entropy quantum computing and quantum random number generators aimed at industries from finance to cybersecurity. Think of them as a bridge between today's tech and tomorrow's quantum future. Revenue's still small. Last quarter was just $27K, but they're positioning for big growth. Let's talk numbers. As of today, February 27, 2025, QUBT is hovering around $6.85 at the open, down from a wild 52-week high of $27.15 back in December. That's a steep drop, nearly 75%, but it's up massively from its 52-week low of 36 cents. This volatility screams speculative tech stock, and it's tied to the quantum hype cycle. Early January saw a sell-off after NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang threw shade at quantum timelines, tanking stocks like QUBT. But posts on X today are buzzing with strong buy chatter, pointing to its growth momentum despite profitability hiccups. The market cap sitting at about $1.1 billion with 137 million shares outstanding, so it's still a small-cap play. So, should you buy QUBT? I'm giving it a buy rating of 7 out of 10. Here's why. Analysts like the one from Ascendient Capital peg a 12-month target at $8.25, about 20% upside from today's price. That's not moonshot territory, but it's solid for a speculative stock. The quantum sector's heating up. Microsoft's new Majorana chip news this month has folks excited again, and QUBT's collaborations like with Sanders TDI show they're in the game. The catch? Earnings are shaky. Last quarter's EPS was mighty 08 cents, right on estimates, but still a loss. If you're a believer in quantum's long-term potential, this could be a dip worth catching. Just don't expect instant riches. Now, let's talk risk. I'm rating QUBT a risk level of 8 out of 10. High risk, folks. Why? That 56% weekly volatility is no joke. It's doubled from last year's 30%. The stock's chart looks like a roller coaster. Huge pumps on hype, brutal drops on skepticism. Short interest is up 30% recently, with 23% of the float shorted, meaning bears are circling. Plus, a January report from Capybara Research called it rampant fraud, harsh words that spooked investors. No hard proof there, but it adds uncertainty. If quantum tech stumbles or QUBT misses a milestone, this could crater. High reward potential, but you're walking a tightrope. Value-wise, I'm giving QUBT a value rating of 5 out of 10. At $6.85, it's trading way below its peak, but is it a bargain? Tough call. Revenue's tiny, and with a price-to-sales ratio likely north of 100, you're paying for future promises, not current cash flow. Compare that to peers like IonQ or Rigetti. Qubit's cheaper per share but lacks their traction. Wall Street says it's undervalued versus its quantum potential, but without profits, this is a leap of faith. If they scale those Dirac systems or land a big contract, the value could spike. For now, it's speculative, not foundational. What's next for QUBT? Keep an eye on their April 7 earnings. Any revenue jump could reignite hype. Their tech roadmap's another biggie. If they deliver on affordable quantum machines, that's a game changer. On the flip side, watch the sector. If NVIDIA or Microsoft steal the spotlight, QUBT could get drowned out. And those short sellers, if they pile on, we might see more pressure. There you have it. QUBT is a high-octane bet on quantum's future. Buy rating 7/10, risk 8/10, value 5/10. It's not for the faint of heart, but if you're into tech frontiers, it might deserve a spot in your portfolio. What do you think, bullish or bearish on QUBT? Drop your take in the comments, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more breakdowns. See you in the next one.